Kia ora, merry Monday morning. I am Mike from Markets, back from holiday and really struggling with the early start this morning. Today's going to be rough. Anyway, this is Markets in a Minute. That's Kiwibank, Markets in a Minute. Stay on brand. Right, the weekend. Okay, so setting aside the rugby, South Africa, the main focal point of the weekend was US employment data, non-farm payrolls specifically. So the short version, 129,000 jobs were created in October. Not exactly smashing it for a 6. Rugby, not the only game in town. The Black Caps yesterday beat England in a T20 in Wellington. What was I talking about? Yeah, 129,000 new jobs in the US. That was better than the expected 85,000. And the results for the prior 2 months were revised higher, so that's good-ish. Yeah, the other key employment data points, average hourly earnings and the actual unemployment rate, bang on expectations. The unemployment rate probably the more notable, 3.6%, touch higher than the multi-decade low of 3.5% in September, but still pretty darn good. Importantly though, all that data wasn't good enough to make anyone think that the Fed should take their foot off the monetary policy easing pedal, and so that helped lift risk assets like equities and oil and the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, so by the numbers, the Kiwi traded fleetingly above 64.5 US cents, highest level since August. Most of the Kiwi crosses, they also advanced. Equities, higher across the board. In fact, record highs for 2 of the big 3 US indices, the Dow Jones just missing out. So close. Commodities, oil is sitting there $62 a barrel. Yeah. After the close of play, we had talk out of the US from the president and assorted others that negotiations with China are progressing well, and they may actually be in a position to sign an initial level agreement at some point soonish. Yeah, those positive noises might give a further boost to risk-related assets over the course of the coming 24 hours. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, hopefully enough there to get you up to speed. I feel more up to speed, and I haven't really looked at anything markety for a good while now. Yeah. So that's what happened. First view from our friends at Kiwi Economics over there somewhere. That's out later this morning. They'll look at what might happen during the week ahead. We've got you covered, both ends. Have a marvellous Monday. Kia pai tōra.